Question 1. Which of the following microbes most commonly used as a probiotic? The correct answer is option D, all. Lactic acid bacteria, bifidobacteria and Saccharomyces, which are the microbes most commonly used as a probiotic. Question 2. Who can use probiotics? The correct answer is option D, all. A person with respiratory allergies, a person have weak immune system, and a person who suffer from yeast infection can use probiotics. Question 3. What is mode of action of probiotics? The correct answer is option D, all. Produce inhibitory compound, improvement of water quality. It is a source of macro and micronutrients. Question 4. Who discovered the lactic acid bacteria? The correct answer is option C. Pasteur discovered the lactic acid bacteria. Question 5. Who discovered the bifidobacter species? The correct answer is option A. Tisser. Question 6. Which of the following food contain probiotics? The correct answer is option D, all. Buttermilk, tofu, yogurt. Which are the food contain probiotics? Question 7. Which of the following probiotics used in traveler's diarrhea? The correct answer is option B. Saccharomyces boulardii is a probiotic used in traveler's diarrhea. Question 8. Which of the following are manufacturer of probiotics in India? The correct answer is option D, all. Miropax Hyderabad, Unique Biotech Hyderabad, Sami Labs Limited Bangalore. Which are the manufacturer of probiotics in India? Question 10. Which of the following antimicrobial substance produced by probiotics? The correct answer is option D, all. Bacteriocin, hydrogen peroxide, acidophilin are the antimicrobial substances that produced by probiotics. Question 10. Which of the following vitamins are produced probiotics? The correct answer is option C, both A and B. Vitamin B and vitamin K are produced by probiotics. Question 11. Probiotics contain. The correct answer is option B, live microorganism. 12. Which of the following is not characteristic of probiotic microorganism? The correct answer is option C, pathogenic. These were able to maintain good quality beneficial effect on host is a characteristic of probiotic. Question 13. Prebiotic is the option B, non-digestible components. Question 40. Which of the following is the correct order of probiotics manufacture? The correct answer is option C, strain selection, media formulation, fermentation, centrifugation, blending and bloating are the correct order of probiotic manufacture. Question 15. Which of the following staining is used for identification of lactobacillus? The correct answer is option D, gram staining is used for identification of lactobacillus. Question 16. Curd is obtained by. The correct answer is option C, coagulation of milk. 17. Yogurt is obtained by. The correct answer is option A, lactic acid fermentation of milk. Question 18. Yakult is made by. The correct answer is option D, fermenting a mixture of skim milk. Question 19. Which microorganisms are used for production of yogurt? The correct answer is option C, both A and B. Lactobacillus bulgaris and Streptococcus thermophilus are the microorganisms for used for production of yogurt. Question 20. What is synbiotics? The correct answer is option B, combination of probiotics and prebiotics.